Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Will Owen here with JetBoatPilot.com. Today I'm on the boat with Mark. Say hello, Mark.
Hey guys.
Mark is newest SeaKeeper Ride owner and also newest Yamaha AR250 owner. And today I took Mark out on the water to do a sea trial with the AR250 and this new SeaKeeper Ride. We've never done a SeaKeeper Ride install on an AR250 before, so I was eager to learn what it kind of felt like, how much was the ride improved, and I thought instead of me telling you my thoughts, who better to tell you than the owner, Mark. So Mark, tell us what you thought. We just went out running across St. Andrews Bay, out in the Gulf. What did you think about the SeaKeeper?
I gotta tell you, the videos don't do it justice. You cannot tell from the videos until you get in the boat and experience it. We were in some pretty decent rollers this afternoon. It was amazing. We turn it off and just the instant difference. And I'll tell you what I'm really impressed with is not just the bow rise and the flattening of the boat, it's the roll and the pitch. It really took, they say 70%, but I mean, I think it's at least that. It was amazing. I can't say enough good things about the install. They put the TD50 Garmin screen in, as you can see, and it looks like it's from the factory.
Yeah.
It is absolutely amazing. And as always, I can't say enough good stuff about JetBoatPilot.com. Will and his staff. There's no better customer service at any company I've ever experienced. And you know, I'm almost 100. So, but I want to say thanks to Will. It's great.
Appreciate that.
You got to try it out. You know, and if you got to get somewhere and try this out, I promise you will not regret it.
That's awesome.
The best money I've spent.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, I am so pumped to hear that. That's what we've been saying for a while. It's kind of hard to say it because we're the ones selling it, and everybody thinks, oh well, you're going to be biased. But Mark here loves it on his AR250. We'll keep on testing on new platforms as we get them going. And we appreciate you watching this video. If you learned something, if you got questions, comment below in the comments. Be glad to answer those questions for you. We appreciate you watching. Thanks.